What if I told you that one day we could wake up and never have to remember a password again? Imagine that! No more scrambling for your phone, typing out random letters, numbers, or symbols. What if you could simply look at your phone and boom, it unlocks? Or maybe all you need is a quick touch of your finger to gain access to all your accounts? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not science fiction. It's already happening. Today, we're going to dive into a password-free world, a future where technology has solved the age-old problem of remembering passwords. So, buckle up, because what's coming next is going to change the way you think about security forever. Let's face it, passwords are an absolute pain. How many times have you clicked forgot your password on a website, only to be stuck resetting it again and again? It's frustrating. And to make it worse, most of us reuse passwords across multiple sites. Who hasn't used the same one for everything? This makes it way too easy for hackers to get access to your personal data. But here's the thing, passwords are broken. They're the weakest link in our security systems. They're easy to hack, hard to remember, and let's not forget they're just plain annoying. So, what if we could move beyond passwords and step into a future where security is easier, faster, and safer? Well, the good news is we're already on our way there. Let's talk about the future of authentication and how it's all going password-free. We all know the drill. Create a password, make it long and strong, and hope we remember it. But the reality is, passwords are a huge security risk. Hackers can crack them with brute force. Or if you use the same password everywhere, one breach can expose your entire digital life. And then there's the infamous password fatigue. We've all been there writing down passwords or using obvious ones like 123,456 just to make life easier. But in the end, this compromises our security. So, where does that leave us? With a passwordless world, but how do we get there? Enter biometric authentication. Imagine unlocking your phone with just a glance or touch. Biometric technology uses your unique traits like your face, fingerprints, or even your voice to confirm who you are. No more passwords, just you. And it's already happening. Facial recognition is in most modern smartphones, and fingerprint scanners are everywhere from phones to ATMs. You can unlock your phone, sign into your apps, and make payments all with your face or finger. But wait, what about privacy? Can we trust biometric data not to be stolen? Well, here's the thing. Biometric security is getting smarter. New technology is designed to keep your data on your device, ensuring privacy without compromising security. It's all about staying secure without giving up your privacy. Okay, not into face recognition. Let's talk about another way we can authenticate, token-based authentication. This involves using physical devices like smart cards, USB keys, or even your smartphone to generate a one-time code that proves your identity. These codes are impossible to reuse, making them highly secure. Think of it like a digital key to your house. Once you unlock the door, the key is no longer useful. In a passwordless world, these tokens are your key to everything from logging into websites to making secure payments. And the beauty of token-based authentication is that it's incredibly hard to hack. Even if someone steals your token, they can't use it without your personal verification. As we move away from passwords, we need systems that work seamlessly across platforms. Enter universal authentication protocols like WebAuthn. This protocol allows you to use biometric or token-based authentication across a wide range of websites and services without needing a password. WebAuthn is built on public key cryptography, making it one of the most secure ways to log in. It's already being used by major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and it's paving the way for a future where passwords are just a distant memory. Here's a big shift that's coming: zero trust security. In a zero-trust world, no one is trusted automatically, no matter where they are or what device they're using. This means that every access request, whether you're logging in from your phone, tablet, or computer, gets checked, verified, and authenticated every single time. Even if you've logged in before, you'll always be asked to prove you're still you, whether that's through biometrics or token-based security. The zero-trust model is about constantly ensuring your data stays safe. It's the future of cybersecurity, and it's making passwords feel even more outdated. Let's get a bit technical, but stay with me. Zero-knowledge proofs are a mind-blowing way to authenticate without ever sharing your password or anything else. With zero-knowledge proofs, you can prove that you know something, like a secret, without revealing it. It's like showing you can open a locked box without ever telling anyone the code. This technology is already being applied to secure blockchain transactions, and it's on its way to completely transform digital authentication. As more industries adopt zero-knowledge proofs, we'll see a new age of privacy-preserving security that could be even safer than the biometric solutions we use today. So, how does all this change your life? Imagine waking up, unlocking your phone with just a quick touch of your finger, and then accessing all your social media, emails, and accounts without ever needing to type a password. In banking, you could access your accounts through fingerprint or face recognition, making sure your money is always safe without ever needing to remember a password. And in gaming, you could skip the login hassle altogether. Your game would know it's you as soon as you sit down. No passwords, just a smooth, seamless experience. It's a future where technology doesn't just work for you. It works with you in a way that's faster, easier, and more secure than ever. The future is bright, and it's password-free. From biometrics to token-based authentication and universal protocols, we're on the brink of a new era in digital security. This isn't just about convenience, it's about redefining how we authenticate, ensuring we can do it more securely and with greater ease than ever before. Are you ready to leave passwords behind and step into the future? It's coming, and it's time to get excited about what's next. Thank you so much for tuning in. What do you think about living in a world without passwords? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns about privacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the future of technology. And hey, let me know what topics you want to explore next. Until then, stay secure, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.